I'm Esther from Spicy Vegan Food, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this delicious roasted red pepper sauce for pasta, which only takes 5 minutes to make. It's such an easy hack, and when you're in a rush and you just have a few basic ingredients in the house like feta, vegan feta, and roasted red peppers, you can make this in no time. So I'm so excited to show you this super easy recipe. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is cook half a box of pasta, or enough for 2 people according to the instructions on the package. It'll be different if you have protein noodles like lentil noodles, chickpea noodles, anything like that. And then we're going to get out our food processor while the pasta is boiling, and we're going to add in 4 roasted red peppers. Now I got these just from the jar, or you can roast them ahead of time. I got them pre-roasted just to make it easy and fast. Now I'm going to add in half a cup of vegan feta. I use the Voila brand. It's so creamy and delicious. Then half a teaspoon of garlic powder, or you can put in some roasted garlic if you have it, and hot chili flakes to taste. You know I'm putting a lot of hot chili flakes in there because I want it to be a little spicy. And then a tablespoon of sweetener of your choice, can be agave, maple syrup, whatever it is that you like and want, and then salt and pepper to taste. So I'm going to get lots of fresh ground black pepper in there just to add a little extra something to this dish. Now once I have all of my ingredients in there, I just want to top them with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. You can use different oil, but I do recommend olive oil for this recipe. I'm going to throw the lid on, and then I am going to start blending this up. Now this is just my cheap little food processor, so it is going to take a minute or two. I think in the Vitamix this would blend up a lot faster, but since the amount was so small, I just had to use my smaller little machine here. So doesn't take long, and this will be blended up nice and smooth and creamy. So you just have to kind of wait for that until you see, you know, all of those little vegan feta chunks are nicely blended in. And look at that beautiful vibrant color that this, I promise you I did not edit this. It's just this gorgeous color all on its own, which is amazing. It's just such simple ingredients. And now that that is ready, we are going to combine that with our cooked pasta noodles. You can save about a 1/4 cup of your pasta water if you want to make it a little bit creamier and just kind of cook that in with it. But you don't have to. You can just mix this roasted red pepper sauce right in with your cooked pasta noodles. If you want this to be a high protein and healthier dish, definitely recommend using a red lentil noodle. Is really good with this. You can use chickpea noodles. Honestly, any of the protein noodles are going to add a lot of protein, fiber, everything like that, and they taste really good with this pasta sauce. So you can always do that as well, or you can do it with white pasta noodles, whatever you have in the house. And then you can top it with any of your favorite fresh herbs if you have any. You can also put a little bit of vegan parm on top of this. Any toppings that you have that you might like on top of a roasted red pepper pasta, you can put those on top, and you can see just how fast and easy this came together. Okay, and it's time for the taste test. Now, a little vegan parm on top of this would just take it up a level, but I didn't have any in the house, so here we go. That is surprisingly good for how easy it is. I'm so excited to eat the rest of this bowl. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.